Hey, mama. At alis yung daddy niya guys, punta ng ano no, football game guys no. So kinaon na si baby sa daycare para makahag-hag niya daddy. Miss Dada? Huh? She said Han when she heard in the phone. Han? Is that Han? Cold. Papa. It's gonna we're gonna go cold. We're gonna go now. Good girl. So sweet. There's his baby Crimson. Yeah. It's gonna Daddy's baby Crimson.
Daddy's girl. Daddy's girl.
Let's go. Let's go. Go bring her because I'm gonna go.